Here we go. Let's play the song. Here we go. First one. Oh God, here we go. My biggest bet ever. It's the dealer. My heart is pounding. Here we go. Here we go. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time. I can't yell. But here we go. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. There's no way. 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 I got 11. There's no way. It's happening. $80,000 swing. $80,000 it just gave me a 2. The dealer needs to bust no matter what now. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's disgusting. Oh my God, I got 11. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's the song, I think. Holy shit, I can't even speak. I think it was the song I played. Here we go. It's time. No more dragging this out. Please. Ace, please. Please. Please, Allah. It's Ramadan. Give me an ace. Dealer bust. Can we get dealer bust in the chat? Bust, 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 bust! You guys are saying Ocean Man? Ocean Man? Ocean Man if we win. This is for $80,000. Please! Here we go! I can't, my heart can't take this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Ace! Ace! I'm about to do it! Ace! Here we go! 3, 2, It's all gone. I'm gonna take a good long break from streaming, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna piss it all away. I'm gonna piss it all away. That would have been 106. Hang on. If I win, this is 50K. I have to double. I don't have any more money. I do. I have 2.7. Oh my God. I can't believe I lost. Alright, I just want to announce to everybody, the last few weeks have been some of the most insane degeneracy the internet has ever seen. There's no comparison. There's nobody that compares. There's nothing. I'm sending everything. There's nothing that compares. Oh my god. And I need to. I'm up so much. No, I'm still up, but I realized I'm done here. If I lose this, guys, that's it. That's it. I need to run this to 10K so I can double. God damn it! If I win, this is 60, 60. This is 60. This is 66,000. I could redeem myself. I could come back. I need to run this to 10K. I need to run this to 10K so I can double. I need to run this to 10K so I can double. I need to run this to 10K so I can double. I need to run this to 10K so I can double. I need to run this to 10K so I can double. I need to run this to 10K. I deposited my last 2.7. That means I have 6.7. I just need to run 6.7 to 10. Well, how do I do it? How do I do it? What do I play? What do I play? I need to run this. I need to run this right now to 10K. 3.3K dice. Baccarat? That's actually a good suggestion, Back. That's actually a good suggestion. Oh, fuck! Oh, God. Oh, my God. I can't believe I lost that, dude. I'm sick. I'm sick. Can't believe the dealer did that. Off 14. Where's my money? Oh my god. Where's my money? Sent it all. Oh. Okay, it's only. That was, dude, I would have had 106,000. Would have had 106,000. Let's just get started on this. I need to get this to 10. Because if I don't, it's only a 40K max win. But if I win, it's 60K. This is fucked up, dude. This is the dumbest fucking session ever. All of that suspense for nothing. All of that just to get fucked, man.
That's close, bro.
I missed natural
8
for the player.
1 for the bank and play events. 8 over 1, nature. Play 1 twice for the last 3 games. Think about a placing in your best. That's close, good luck.
I sent it to myself. I sent the money to myself. That's why. I sent the fucking money to myself.
4
I'm
for
a
the
dumbass.
player. 4 for the
Please win.
bankers.
Please win.
The player.
Oh my god.
Play events 5
Oh my god.
Translations. Here's the
Oh my god. 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 Okay, wait. I sent the money to the wrong person. I sent the money to. I sent it to that. Actually, I sent it to the wrong Addy. Look, I sent it to the wrong Addy. It's still in my wallet. Okay, I'll send it again. I'll send it again, bro. I sent it to the wrong Addy. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. I was like, where's my deposit? It never takes that long on shuffle. Oh my god. Here we go. 2,700. Oh god. Oh my 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 god. Another 10K double. Can we redeem ourselves? I need to win a little bit more. I need to win 1,300. This is fucked up. This is fucked up, man. 106. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, dude. This is another all in. Down to my last penny. This is down. Please. Okay, I'll get to 10K. I need a 10 on that double. I cannot believe what happened to me. I don't want to fucking whine about it because I'm on a mission right now to make it back. I need to stay composed. I need to do what I'm good at. I need to do what I was created on earth to do. No. One more 1,000. Come on. What the fuck? No! No way it does this to me. No way. God. We have the money, guys. Oh my God. 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 Oh my God.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man, cross the tan man,
I'm gonna win this one.
soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean man, can you see through the wonder of amazement at the open man? Ocean man, the crust is elusive when it can.
Hang on. I'm actually getting drowsy. I'm getting nauseous. I'm not even joking. I'm getting nauseous. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 3! Please! Please send! Please send! Please send! Please send! Please send! Please! 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 Yes! 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 3! Yes! Bust!
Take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man, the crust of a tan man by my side, soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean man, can you see through the wonder of amazement at the open man?
Do I do one more? From 26K. Immediate comeback. Immediate comeback. Immediate comeback. Immediate comeback. Oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God. I just immediately made some back. Oh my fucking God. Do I do one more? I want one. I want one. I would have had 106, dude. I would have had 106. This is how I'm fucking around with way too much money, dude. I think I cash. I think I cash out. That was so lucky. I just made it back from 26. Oh my God. One more. I'm done. Thank you for watching. I'm done. Once I lose. We're done once I lose. We're done once I lose. We're done once I lose. I'm getting out with minimum 79K. Minimum 79K! Okay, that's fine. I just made from 26. Last one. From the top. Money back. Okay, guys. Does that count as a loss? I got my money back on the cider. If I lose this, does this count as a loss? Do I end it? Does this count? What am I doing? I had no money. I need to cash them out for future streams. All right, guys. I'm gonna click stand here. If it loses, I think that's it. If it loses, I'm just gonna cash out. I got saved by the cider. 8, 9, 10. I got saved by the cider. It counts as a loss, dude. That's totally a loss. 17 versus 10. It counts as a loss. Okay, I'm done. There's no way. Fuck. Thank you all for watching. One more. No, no, no! Why am I doing this? I'm 19 and I'm done. I need to cash out. Enough. Even I enjoy it very much. I enjoy that very much. I cannot say that is not better than sex, drugs, men. It's all real. All right, we make. I'll cash out 100. I'll play. I just need to print 1,000 on Limbo. We're at 112. Guys, I'm sorry, no slots today. What if I just fucked up the fucking blackjack seed? I just fucked up the blackjack seed by doing Limbo bets. Let's do a 0 bet. Let's see what would have happened. Trips. Oh my god. Oh my god. Double. Oh my god. I'm fucking up. Oh my god, I would have been on a legendary run. I can't watch this. I can't watch this. I'd be so rich. Oh my god. I can't watch this. Double. Oh my god, I can't watch this. I can't watch this. Why am I betting 0? Why am I doing this? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. I just missed a legendary fucking run. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. I need to cash everything out. Oh my god. Oh my god, I need to cash everything out. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Here we go. I feel it here. I just fucked up on. I just fucking missed out on trips. That's 10, right? Holy shit. I'm cashing 100, guys. If I lose this, that's the end of the stream. It's gonna fuck up the balance. Just wait. I just made it from 26. I just made it from 26. I lost. I lost the doubles and I made it all back. Why was I chasing profits? Why was I chasing potential profits that I didn't even win? Why? Here we go. Worst time to come in here. I missed up trips and I get... Oh god, I deserve this. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not gonna waste this. I'm not gonna waste this. Please bust. Oh my god. 20k. Oh my god. I need help. What the fuck am I doing? Oh my god. No. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to cash out. I need to cash out. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose to a 17. Alright, that's enough. I'm cashing 88. No. Oh my god, one more. One more. Last one. Last one. Alright, I'm done, guys. I'm done. I'm not chucking the 76 away. Oh no. Oh no. This was due. I got too lucky recently. I got too lucky. 20k, guys. GG, guys. Mm. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Floor, but I don't understand either, dude. I've gotten so lucky. Down syndrome retard 45 chromosomes. Why am I not cashing out? I don't. I just want it. I'll cash 100k and then a little bit to play with for the stream. That's all I want. Let's do it to that fuckfaces song. The fucking crackhead retard song. I like it. You know what? Let's just do it. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm gonna have a heart attack, guys. Even if I don't have a heart attack, I'm gonna have a heart disease like next year. Maybe this year. That could have been straight flush. That could have been something better. Oh god. Okay, I'm done. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. I should have lowered the bet. Oh god, double. I lose. Yeah, yeah, fuck. Oh god. Oh my god, it happened. It happened. We all knew this was gonna happen. We all knew it was gonna happen. I didn't stop. I deserve this. I totally deserve not cashing out there. I lost it all. I fucking lost it all. One more 20k. One more 20k. I'm a junkie. I'm a junkie. I lost it all, guys. Watch this. You want to see the dumbest shit ever. $50,000. I don't. Oh, you can only do 25,000. GG, guys. I can't believe what I just did. I can't believe what I just did. I can't believe what I just did. I can't believe it. 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 I just lost it all. I just lost it all. I lost it all. I just don't know. I don't know what I just did. I don't know what I just did. You know what, guys? Oh wait, back to the screen, guys. That's the end of it. That's the end of it. Okay. I just want to speak to you guys. There's been a very, very good few weeks of high rolling and gambling, and it's over. It's over. It's over. Okay. It's over. I just want to let you guys all know it's over. I just want to let you guys know it's over. Okay, no more. No more. No more. Okay. No more. No more.